Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy Learning Business Studies. Today we are going to learn different levels of management. Every individual in the organizational hierarchy is responsible for successful completion of a particular task. To be able to fulfill that responsibility, he is assigned authority or the right to take decisions. The authority responsibility relationship binds individual as superiors and subordinates. Levels of management refers to the arrangements of managerial positions in an organization. There are generally three levels of management. Number one, top level management. Number two, middle level management. And number three, lower level, that is supervisory or operational management. Let's see what is top level management. Top level management consists of managers at the highest level in the management hierarchy. We can say various examples. The top level management consists of the senior most executive in the organization, chairman, managing directors, board of directors, chief executive, and general managers are regarded as a top level management in the business organization. This level of management is responsible for framing business policies and taking the major decisions in the organization. They perform administrative functions more than the managerial functions. Let's see the various functions of top level management. Top level management lays down the objectives of business, the main purpose of the business, and the top level management prepares plans and policies and strategies to be followed in the organization. Top level management issues instructions to various other departments, namely sales department, purchase department, etc. And the top level management appoint executives in middle levels, and top level management coordinates and control the activities of middle level management, so it maintains the relationship with outsiders also. Let's see what is meant by middle level management. This level of management consists of different department heads. Middle level management consists of departmental heads like a purchase department head, sales department head, marketing manager, finance manager, executive officers, etc. These managers receives order and instruction from top level manager and pass them to the subordinates. These managers are responsible for executing the plans formulated by top level management, because as we have discussed earlier, top level managements are formulating the plans. The execution is done by the middle level management. This level acts as an intermediary between the top level management and the lower level management. Let's see the various functions of middle level management. Closure watch on day to day results, because they are very closely related to the lower level, so they are keep on watching what are the various results are there in a day to day activities. And middle level management participate in operating decisions also. Middle level management implementing the policies formulated by top level management. Middle level management communicating the policies to lower level management, and middle level management planning the activities of own department. What are the various things we can improve or we can implement in our department, they are planning. Directing managers at lower level, evaluating performance of employees. Middle level management is evaluating each and every employee's performance, reporting to top level. Middle level management is evaluating the performance of employees and reporting to the top level management. Middle level management cooperating with other departments like sales department, purchase department, finance department, everything. It motivates employees based on performance. The best example we can say, the middle level management is encouraging the employees to do more and more production. Suppose the employee is doing more production, then automatically he will get more salary or more increment. Like that, the management, middle level management, is motivating the employees based on their performance. Let's see the lower level management. It refers to lower in the hierarchy of the organization. Supervisory management consists of clerk, supervisors, inspectors, accounts officers, subdepartmental executives, etc. So, this level is also known as supervisory management. They assign specific job to the workers, evaluate their performance, and report to the middle level management. There are various functions of supervisory management. Supervisors directly oversees the efforts of the workforce. Their authority and responsibility is limited according to the plan drawn by the top level management. Supervisory management interact with the actual workforce and pass on the instruction to the middle level management. They ensure that the quality standards are properly followed by the workers, and the lower level management ensure proper and safe working condition for workers, and the quality and quantity of output depends upon the hard work, discipline, and loyalty of the worker. Hope you have understood the three different levels of management. Number one, top level management. Number two, middle level management. Number three, lower level management or supervisory or operational management. Thank you.